Now it is coming and I go live. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Radhika, a PhD student in the Department of Physics at IIT Kanpur, and this is the course on the joy of computing using Python. So I will be conducting these live sessions for this course, and the aim of these live sessions is to solve previous year's assignment problems, so that they help you in building up your concepts, and those previous year's assignment problems would also be beneficial to solve the current session's assignment problems. And this course is a very nicely designed course, I must say. It's because you are learning Python programming language, which is a very popular programming language these days. And it's not just learning the syntax and basically the theory of this programming language. You would be learning how to use this programming language to solve some real world simple problems in your real life. So that way, it is a quite an application based course where you also see some of the useful applications of the programming language. So I personally like this course very much, and I hope that you also will enjoy this course. And I hope my voice is clear both over here, like people can hear me. So there are two important links for this course. The first one is the YouTube channel, where these live sessions would be live streamed on that YouTube channel, and they will be available for you forever. So even if you miss this session, you can go ahead on the YouTube channel and watch the video, or you could revise the concepts by watching the video again. So I have provided the YouTube channel link in the chat box. You can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So if people could confirm that you can hear me properly both on the Zoom as well as the YouTube. Could you just unmute and say if you can hear me? Okay, fine. So this is assignment 0 for week 0. In the next week, I would be solving week 1's assignment problems from the previous sessions, like 2022 or 2021, those years. So let us just see a few questions. I have quite a few questions. So next week, I will be taking up week 1 as well as week 0. So just let us look at maybe a few questions. The first question is, if 8 minus 8 is equal to 63 and 6 minus 6 is equal to 35, then find the value of 11 minus 11. So this minus operation over here is a little bit different kind of an operation. We see that 8 minus 8 equal to 63. Okay, so this is essentially 63 is equal to 8 into 8 minus 1. Similarly, 6 minus 6 equal to 35. So 35 is essentially 6 into 6 minus 1. Okay, so this minus operation, this special kind of minus operation, is essentially doing this. So when you have, let's say, a minus b, this is equal to a into b minus 1. So this special kind of minus operation is working like this. So 11 minus 11 in this case would be 11 into 11 minus 1, which is 120. So 120 is the correct option. Let's move to the next question. It says parlay is related to QCUPJ in the same way as Dabur is related to. So this is some sort of a relation we need to find out. So parlay, let me write down. Parlay is going to QCUPJ. So essentially, if you see, P plus 1 equals to Q. Okay, so P going to Q. A plus 2 is equivalent to C. You see A. So let me highlight. P is going to Q. You see P over here going to Q. Maybe this is not working. I can use a highlighter. So see P, this P right here is going to this Q, A is going to C, then R is going to U, L, if you add 4, so it's going to P, E is going to J. So you see, P plus 1 means you go to the next letter, that is Q. A plus 2, that means A, B, C. You go to C. R plus 3, that means R, after R, S, T, U. Then L plus 4, that means L, then M, N, O, P. And then E plus 5, that means F, G, H, I, J. Okay, so you have like this sort of a relation. So then what will Dabar become? So let us see. Dabar. Okay. Then D plus 1 we need to do. That is E. A plus 2, that is C. B plus 3, that is again equal to E. U plus 4 equal to Y. And R plus 5 equal to W. So Dabar goes to E, C, E, Y, W. Like this. You only had to look at the first letter. The first letter itself is the differentiating factor over here. So this is what Dabar becomes. This is like some sort of a code language that they have come up with. So similarly, you have many other simple questions of angle, simple geometry, perimeter and area of a circle, some simple Venn diagram type problems, simple counting of squares, and some of these profit loss cost kind of questions are there. Pretty simple elementary level school math, high school maths, you can say. So this is just sort of a prerequisite for the course. So the course is saying that you do not need any programming experience, but you do need some basic elementary high school level mathematics understanding. So if you know some of these basics of basic geometry, basic algebra, then you are good to go for this course. We will look at some of these questions more in the next week. So thank you so much. Hope to see you in the upcoming sessions. So this is a 12-week course, and every Saturday we will have these live sessions from 3 to 5 p.m. 2-hour session where we will solve the previous year's assignment problems. And if you have some questions, you can ask and I will try to answer them to the best of my capabilities. So, okay, bye-bye. See you in the next week. Next Saturday, 3 p.m. is the class. 3 to 5 p.m., 2-hour session. Thank you very much.